We just visited Ganesh Das Hospital and today in the morning, and now we are here in the RPHS Hospital. We have come to see the installation of the oxygen plants that have been sanctioned, and I'm very happy to see that both the plants are almost ready to be operational. We expect that Ganesh Das should be operational in the next 24 hours. And in the next 48 hours, we expect the RPHS Hospital oxygen plant to be up and running. Similarly, there are many other plants that have been sanctioned throughout the state. We're keeping a close watch to ensure that these are completed before time, as the situation requires that we have all our infrastructure ready and in place in any eventuality. At the same time, I also had a small meeting with discussion with the doctors, both at Ganesh Das and here. And so we're looking at all the issues that are concerning the hospital out here. And at the same time, I thanked all of them for all the work that they're doing. Especially again, I would like to thank the doctors here and all over the state, all the frontline workers, all the doctors, nurses and medical staff that have been working tirelessly to ensure that all the service possible is and care and possible is being provided to us.